Black holes are among the most fascinating, powerful, and mysterious phenomena in the universe. These invisible cosmic giants possess masses ranging from millions to even billions of times that of our Sun, yet they emit no light of their own. For centuries, they remained nothing more than a mathematical curiosity, a strange prediction hidden within the equations of physics. But today, thanks to decades of research and technological breakthroughs, black holes are no longer just theoretical objects. They are real, observable, and far more complex than we ever imagined. Until recently, humanity knew almost nothing about what truly happens inside a black hole. Their immense gravity prevents light, matter, and information from escaping, making them appear like perfect cosmic secrets. But a groundbreaking announcement from physicist Michio Kaku and other leading researchers has reignited one of the most profound questions in modern science. Have we finally uncovered what lies within a black hole? New theoretical insights and observational data suggest that details once thought impossible to access may now be within reach, shedding light on one of the darkest mysteries of the universe. Most people have a general idea of what a black hole is, a region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. However, this understanding barely scratches the surface. The concept of black holes dates back to 1916, when Albert Einstein published his theory of general relativity. Within his equations, the idea of spacetime collapsing under extreme mass naturally gave rise to objects from which even light could not escape. At the time, Einstein himself doubted that such objects could truly exist in nature. It would take nearly half a century for evidence to emerge. In the 1960s, astronomers studying X-ray emissions from space noticed something extraordinary in the constellation Cygnus. A massive blue star was emitting intense X-rays, yet the radiation did not originate from the star itself. Instead, it appeared to be pulled toward an unseen companion, an invisible object with immense gravitational power. This object was later identified as a black hole, now known as Cygnus X1, located approximately 6,000 light-years from Earth. This discovery marked a turning point. Black holes were no longer mathematical abstractions, they were real astrophysical objects shaping the universe. Scientists soon realized that black holes could form from the collapse of massive stars and that they played a crucial role in galactic evolution. Further studies revealed that supermassive black holes reside at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Estimates suggest that our galaxy alone may contain millions, possibly even hundreds of millions, of black holes. Most remain undetected because black holes do not emit light unless they interact with nearby matter. When gas, dust, or even stars fall toward a black hole, they form an accretion disk that heats up and emits radiation, allowing astronomers to detect their presence. One of the greatest fears associated with black holes is their extreme gravity. Popular culture often portrays them as cosmic vacuum cleaners, devouring everything around them. In reality, black holes obey the same gravitational laws as other massive objects. A black hole with the mass of the Sun would not suddenly swallow the solar system. However, getting too close would be catastrophic. If a human were to fall into a black hole, the experience would be unimaginably violent. Due to the difference in gravitational pull between the feet and the head, the body would be stretched into a thin strand in a process known as spaghettification. Long before reaching the center, the person would lose consciousness and perish. Fortunately, the nearest known black hole is thousands of light-years away, posing no immediate threat to Earth. A major breakthrough came in 2019, when scientists released the first ever image of a black hole, located at the center of galaxy M87. This historic image was created using the Event Horizon Telescope, a global network of radio observatories. By combining data from multiple telescopes across the Earth, scientists effectively created a planet-sized telescope capable of resolving the shadow of a black hole. The image revealed something extraordinary. Black holes are not empty voids in space. Instead, they are dynamic regions surrounded by glowing rings of superheated matter. This observation confirmed predictions made by Einstein over a century ago and provided unprecedented insight into the structure of black holes. According to modern physics, a black hole consists of several distinct regions. The outermost boundary is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, escape becomes impossible. Beyond the event horizon lies the photon sphere, where light itself is forced into circular orbits around the black hole. This region plays a key role in the appearance of black holes in images. At the very center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density where spacetime is compressed beyond all known limits. Within the singularity, the laws of physics as we understand them break down completely. Time and space lose their meaning, and our current theories can no longer describe what happens. This raises an astonishing question. What lies beyond the singularity? One of the most intriguing possibilities comes from the concept of wormholes, also known as Einstein-Rosen bridges. These hypothetical structures arise naturally from Einstein's equations and describe tunnels through spacetime that could connect distant regions of the universe, or even entirely separate universes. In theory, a black hole could serve as one end of such a tunnel, while a white hole, a hypothetical object that expels matter instead of consuming it, could form the other end. To visualize this, imagine spacetime as a flat sheet. Two distant points on the sheet are normally connected by a long path. But if the sheet is folded, a shortcut can form between those points. This shortcut represents a wormhole. In principle, wormholes could allow travel across vast cosmic distances far faster than light would normally permit. However, there is a major problem. Wormholes are believed to be extremely unstable. They would collapse almost instantly unless held open by exotic matter with negative energy, something that has never been observed. As a result, wormholes remain firmly in the realm of theoretical physics. Despite this, the idea that black holes could be gateways rather than final destinations continues to fascinate scientists. If stable wormholes exist, they could revolutionize our understanding of space, time, and causality. They could even provide insight into quantum gravity, the long-sought theory that unites general relativity with quantum mechanics. Recent advances in theoretical physics suggest that information falling into a black hole may not be destroyed after all. Instead, it could be encoded on the event horizon or released through subtle quantum effects. This idea challenges long-standing assumptions and hints that black holes may preserve information in ways we are only beginning to understand. As research continues, black holes remain at the frontier of science, objects that test the limits of human knowledge and imagination. Whether they are ultimate cosmic prisons, natural laboratories for extreme physics, or even bridges to other regions of spacetime, one thing is certain: black holes are far more than empty holes in space. What do you think lies at the heart of a black hole? Are wormholes a scientific reality waiting to be discovered, or are they simply elegant mathematical dreams? As we continue to explore the universe, the answers may be closer than we ever imagined. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.